Good morning, guys. So let's move on towards the classification of soil. In that, there in a syllabus there is an Indian standard classification system. So what it means, Indian standard classification system consists of three types of soils, mainly three types of soils. So those are coarse grained soil, fine grained soil, and highly organic soil. So coarse grained soil. What is a coarse grained soil? A soil is said to be a coarse grained soil said to be a coarse grained soil if if more than half of its weight is greater than 75 microns. So it means if I take 1 kg of 1000 grams of soil, if 700 grams of soil is greater than 75 microns, then the total soil is said to be a coarse grained soil. Okay. Second, a soil is said to be a fine grained soil if more than half of its weight is less than 75 microns. This means if I take again 1000 grams of soil, if 800 grams or 600 grams is less than 75 microns, then the whole soil is said to be fine grained soil. Then third one, highly organic soil. These are the soils which consist of fine or very finely powdered particles of decayed leaves. Okay, so this means the last one is organic soil. So leaves powder is very finely done or happens, that soil is called as organic soil. Next, the coarse grain soil is further divided into two types, sand and gravels, so denoted by S and G respectively. Sand, when the soil is said to be a sand. A soil is said to be a sand if more than half of its weight is greater than 4.75 microns. It is represented by S. Coarse grain soil, sorry, gravel. A soil is said to be a gravel if more than half of its weight is greater than, sorry, the first one is a soil is said to be a sand when more than half of its weight is less than 4.75 microns. Then in gravel, it is said to be a gravel when more than half of its weight is greater than 4.75 microns. It is represented by G. Further, the sand is divided into three types: well graded sand with clay, poorly graded sand. Okay. The alphabet W, C, and P, along with the names, can be used for various types of combination of coarse grained soil. For example, if it is G and W, it means that the soil is well graded gravel or gravelly sand. Next, fine grained soil. The fine grained soil is further divided into three types: inorganic silt M, inorganic clay C, organic matter O. The fine aggregate with low compressibility. Then the wait a second. Okay. Next, a soil is said to be, see, in this fine aggregates is further divided into fine aggregate with with low compressibility, fine aggregate with, you can write here, fine aggregate with low compressibility, fine aggregate with high compressibility, then fine aggregate, sorry, with medium, okay, with medium compressibility, fine aggregate with high compressibility. A fine grained soil is said to be a soil with low compressibility when its liquid limit is less than 35%. It is denoted by L. Fine aggregate with medium compressibility. The fine aggregate soil is said to be with a medium compressibility if its liquid limit is between 35 to 50%. It is represented by I. Fine aggregate with high compressibility. If fine aggregate is said to be with a high compressibility if its liquid limit is more than 50%. It is denoted by H. The alphabets with the notations represents with the name or present with the name can be used to give various combinations. For example, Ci together inorganic clay with medium compressibility. Okay, further we'll see in the next class.